りはお手できた。タッチタッチ。よし。食べないよし。どうした食べないの。
Hello.
Hello, good morning. How are you today?
Yes, good. I'm doing great.
You're doing
But
great.
it's still morning. It's 8.
Yeah, very early, right?
16. Yeah.
8:16 in your
Yeah.
country.
Yeah, I woke up 7.
I woke up 4.
4. It's really
4
early.
4 a.m.
4
Yes,
a.m.
very early. Yeah, as always.
As always.
As always.
So, because you have to prepare the lesson.
Yes. Yeah, because there's a lot of students
Mhm.
early in the morning.
How many
Yeah.
lessons do you take per day?
A lot.
A lot.
Like yesterday, I got 18 students.
18. Wow.
Yeah, that's my quota every day. 18 to 20 students.
18 to 20 students.
Yeah.
It takes 10 hours, maybe?
More than I think
More than
12.
12?
12 hours, yeah.
Wow.
Sometimes 10 if there's no intermittent of the connection. So, yes, I
It's
can have it.
It's overworking.
Huh? What is that?
It's overworking.
Yes. It's tiring.
Tiring, yeah.
Tiring. Feel knackered all the time. Yeah. Just like my back.
You have to
Getting old.
have some rest.
Yes. After 2 hours, I'm going to have my nap. Yes. Anyway, what's your name?
Okay. My name is Kyo.
Kyo.
Yeah.
Alright. So I'm going to call you Kyo.
Right.
Okay. I'm your teacher and I'll be your friend here. My name is Teacher Rose.
Rose.
Nice to meet you. Yes.
Nice to meet you too. So yeah, I'm going to talk about the popular YouTube channel.
Okay.
Yeah. And
Alright.
what kind of YouTube channel are popular in the Philippines nowadays?
Popular YouTube. There are many popular YouTube.
Many. Personally.
There's
For you.
difficult. Actually, I have my YouTube channel, but it's not popular.
You have.
Yeah, I have. So I try to watch a little bit on YouTube, like UFOs. I am very interested with that one.
UFO.
Like aliens.
Yeah. You like it?
Yeah, I like it a lot.
So
I don't know why.
Do you believe it exist the aliens?
Kinda, because my aunt,
Your aunt.
saw something. My auntie,
Auntie,
yeah, saw something UFO in real life
in the Philippines?
in the Philippines.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
here.
Okay.
When she was still a child,
you
when
watched?
she was playing,
Have you seen it?
No, I haven't. If I'll be very scared if it will happen.
You want
Yeah. No, I don't like. I just like to read, but seeing them in person, no, not my type.
Uh-huh.
Actually. So she saw 4 of them.
to?
4.
Mhm.
Yeah, big eyes, big mouth,
Really?
naked. Yeah. Naked. She was hiding on the bamboo tree before. Bamboo tree. Very big house. I mean, the house of the UFO, the aliens. So very big, and the vibration.
Okay.
So it's really creepy. My ancestors before. So, yeah.
Your
Bald
uncle
head.
had been taken away.
No. She was just hiding actually.
Hiding. Okay.
Hiding. So I think if the aliens saw her or caught her, I think she will be taken away from here in the Philippines and fly
Wow.
outside.
That's-
Yes.
That's interesting
Yes, I
story. So
Interesting
Yeah.
story.
sorry, teacher. It's
Yes.
since it's 8:30, I have to
Yeah.
go to the work. I have to, yes.
Okay, no worries.
It's
Okay.
time to over. Yeah, it's time to leave.
Ay.
Thank you. And,
Okay, thank you
hope
very
to see
much.
you
Have a
again.
great day.
Yeah, have a great
Bye-bye.
day. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Welcome.
You lost your way, and it's safe to say that nothing could keep you here with me, and it's what you do. Overcomplicate every conversation ends with you. You never show me love, so I think of giving up. And I'm probably better off, but I can't stop, cause I want you, you make me numb, but I love the way you fuck me up inside, fuck me up inside, cause I want you, you make me numb, but I love the way you fuck me up inside, fuck me up just right, I take the blame, and it doesn't taste right.